Understanding the phrase, cordial greeting in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common but intriguing phrase in English, cordial greeting. This phrase is not just about saying hello. It's about the warmth and sincerity behind it. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, cordial greeting, combines two powerful words, cordial and greeting. Let's break them down. Cordial. This word originates from the Latin cordialis, which means, of the heart. In modern English, it conveys warmth, friendliness, and sincerity. It's not just polite, it's genuinely heartfelt. Greeting. A greeting is a way of acknowledging someone's presence or introducing oneself. It's the first step in any communication. When combined, cordial greeting means a warm, sincere, and friendly acknowledgement of another person. It's more than just saying hello, it's about conveying genuine goodwill and positive feelings. Now that we understand what cordial greeting means, let's talk about how to use it. 1. Formal occasions. This phrase is perfect for formal emails, letters, or when meeting someone for the first time in a professional setting. It sets a friendly yet respectful tone. 2. Cultural sensitivity. In some cultures, a warm and sincere greeting is highly valued. Using cordial greeting can show respect and appreciation for these cultural norms. 3. Personal touch. In a world where greetings can often be rushed and impersonal, using a phrase like cordial greeting adds a personal and sincere touch to your interactions. To help you better understand, here are a few examples. In an email, Dear Mr. Smith, cordial greetings. I am writing to you regarding. In a meeting, Good morning everyone. I extend my cordial greetings to all present here today. In personal interactions, it's so nice to see you again. Cordial greetings to you and your family. In summary, the phrase, cordial greeting, is a wonderful tool in your English language arsenal. It conveys warmth, sincerity, and friendliness, making your interactions more meaningful and heartfelt. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, but the genuine feeling behind them. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using cordial greeting in your daily English communication. Thank you for watching, and cordial greetings to all of you.